Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to put text behind a person in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page Pixlr where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner, you'll have the login option. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here. And after opening it up, we'll be greeted by this new menu right here where we can get started with opening up our image that we want to edit and put the text behind the person. So after opening up your image, I'm going to open up this image right here. Now we can get started. As you can see, here is our toolbar with all the options that we can use, such as arrange, crop, cutout, and so on at the left side of the screen. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with playing around with our text and putting it behind an object. Basically, guys, what we're going to do is to go ahead and add multiple layers. So we'll need multiple layers. One of our layers is going to be our object that we want to put the text behind. Then we need the layer of the image and another layer that we're going to add the text for. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out the object you want to put the text behind. So you're going to use the AI cutout option right here. As you can see, it's going to cut out our object right here. You can do it yourself using the tools right here. After that, you're going to select a different layer and you want to add the text that you want to put behind the object. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and add the text and then you can go ahead and play around with the layers. So as you can see, here is our object right now. So if I put my text over the object and if I put my layer with the text behind this layer where our object is, as you can see, now our text is behind this object right here, and now we can put it however we want. So guys, basically that is how to do it, and that's how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.